Perfect.
This is a perfect result.
Perfect.
And it's just day one. Turn over. Okay. And there's the yesterday's picture before, just to let you know. So this was before. This was yesterday.
See the other one?
And this is now.
Wow, they find us, this is really sweet.
Yeah.
This is now.
And it's just day one, eh?
It's just day one. Sit up.
Mm.
Put your head up. Sit there.
Don't lie to me. What's going on?
Put your head up. Look at that. No mucho. Hope you're happy.
Very happy.
Guys,
Kunesibongo
you don't get it.
Yeah, can you So beauty is pain.
Very fine, baby. Very fine.
Ublende nosetshenzelwa.
Chicken. Abala manje. Sengayisauce ngangithini kukhanya imbawu. Ngaxolisa mntana. Awu kukhanya imbawu ngangazi mntana. Ukuthi nami kongifika. Sengiphuma khona emahashahasheni.
Uphuma phesheya.
Ngiphuma khona.
Ngezetheki.
Umetheki.
Bafethu lama video were posted a few hours ago, if I'm not mistaken. Enye ke ipostwe 3 hours ago, enye yapostwa 2 hours ago, loyana ke enye yapostwa 1 hour ago. Lapha ke umama loyana ke wakwaNjomane esimazi ngoSimangele. So lapha usesibhedlela ke iHewood Medical Center ekhona lapha ke eMhlanga KwaZulu-Natal. So lapha ke uye wathi ke kwenye ama captions akhe ke I bafethu ke for my first check up, this is really amazing, I can't wait for full body reconstruction. So la ekhuluma ke njengoba kade nimbona ukuthi ke kushuthi ke ubehlinzwa ezama ke ukuthi ke alungise lokho ngathi ke bathini ke islave noma lokho enikubonayo nje lapha njengoba ke edwetshiwe ke inazi nezithombe ke ngizishareile lapha ke nganza kwethu. So I feel like ke indlela ke naye ke abefisa ukuthi ke agcine lo nyaka ke ewuphetha ngakhona ukuthi ke ekwazi ukuthi egcine ewulo muntu lo naye afisa ukuthi ke abe uyena. Baningi abawenzayo ke ama surgery, baningi ke abantu abathandayo ukuthi ke babe bahle naye ngendlela ke abafuna ngayo. So lapha ke uye wabhala futhi ke kwenye ama video ukuthi ke beauty is pain ke kusho ke yena lapha ke umama loya wakwaNjomane wase ke ebhala eceleni ukuthi ke Khanyo Mbawu. I think ubefisa ukuthi ke Khanyo Mbawu lapha ke we know ukuthi ke naye ke uKhanyo Mbawu ke is one of abantu ke abakholelwa ekuthenini ke benze ke i-surgery in order for bona ukuthi ke babe lento abasuke befuna ke ukuthi babe yona. Anyways bafethu ke ngiyofisa nawe ke ucomment mhlambe ke ngokuthi ke wena uzizwa kanjani ke ngokwenza kwakhe ke umama loyana ke li-surgery le aseyenzile. Ngizokufundela ama comments ambalwa mayelana nayo le video and then ke bese nawe uya uba nokuphawula kwakho la ngenzansi. Uthi lapha ke uxolo wakwaJaca isebenza ngempela ke kodwa ke angathi kubhlungu. Uthi omunye wow lapha ke ugama lakhe ke uphilisiwe. Uthi ke uMbali Shabalala kuhle gogo kakhulu ke uqhubeke njalo ke uzinakekele ke sithando sami kusho yena ke uMbali wakwaShabalala. Untibane lapha ke uthi ke gobela uthi omunye ke lapha ke wow ayibo benza wani ke uzobabona ke uthini ke uzobaba straight kusho yena ke uthando wakwamsimanga. Okay, uthi ke lapha ke uJobela Mzizi yalunga ngempela ke manje wow mfethu kusho ke uyoliswa. Angeke ngiwaqeda ke wonke bafethu lama comments, but then ke you can leave i comment yakho ke lawa ongawafaka kuyona ke le channel mhlambe ke iwone ngase ke ungaqeda. Kodwa ke bafethu ke angigeqi wona amagula, ngiyocela wena ke ube nokuphawula kwakho. Do you think ke wenze into right lapha ke umama, because le nto besiyibona ukuthi ke iya ngokuya iyakhukhumala. Anyways bafethu, thank you for watching this video. Danko.